In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Docs app. We'll turn the Google Docs website into an app on your PC so it opens in its own window and is easy to launch from your desktop or start menu. This uses your web browser's built-in install feature and only takes a minute. First, open a web browser on your PC. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, since they support installing sites as apps. Make sure the browser window is active and you're connected to the internet. Next, go to the Google Docs website. In the address bar, type docs.google.com and press Enter. You should land on the Google Docs home screen, where your recent documents appear. If you're asked to sign in, that's fine. But it isn't required just to set up the app. Now, look to the very top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This is the browser's main menu, not anything inside the page itself. Clicking it opens a long drop-down with Tools and Settings. In that menu, hover your mouse over the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. On some versions, it may appear simply as Save and Share. Don't click yet, just point to it so the submenu expands. You'll see a few sharing and saving options related to the current page. From that submenu, click Install as App. This tells the browser to install Google Docs as a standalone app on your PC. What this really does is create a lightweight application that launches Google Docs in its own window without the regular browser tabs and controls, and adds an icon so it's easy to find later. A small confirmation box will appear. Click Install to confirm. The installation takes only a moment. When it finishes, Google Docs opens in a new app window, and your system adds shortcuts, typically in the Start menu and often on the desktop as well, so you can open it just like any other app. That's it. You now have the Google Docs app ready to use on your PC. If you don't see the Install as App option, double-check that you're on the Google Docs homepage and that your browser is up to date, since older versions may not show this feature. Going forward, you can pin the new app to your taskbar or Start for quicker access, and you'll still get all the features of Google Docs with a cleaner, app-like window.